I'm excited to make my pumpkin spice creme brulee. You can roast your own pumpkin, but today we're gonna use 15 ounces of canned pumpkin. Here we have cardamom, salt, cinnamon, ground cloves, and allspice. 5 egg yolks. You might wanna consider keeping those egg whites for your brekkie mañana. This silicone bowl scraper really gets in here. Good, perfect. We have a combination of light brown sugar and white sugar. Whisk really well all these wet ingredients. We're gonna use fresh vanilla. Just got back from my vacation in Tahiti, so I'll share with you this beautiful vanilla. You just split it down the center and then use the back side of your knife to scrape out the vanilla. Oh, yum. And then we're gonna put it in 3 cups of heavy cream. We're gonna actually use the pod while we simmer the heavy cream and then remove the pod. So add it to the heavy cream, let's put it in for a simmer. So careful not to bring this to a boil, we really just want it at a simmer. And then preheat your oven to 325. So now that we brought our heavy cream to a simmer, don't forget to remove your vanilla bean. And we're gonna slowly temper our eggs because the eggs will cook if we bring all this warm liquid into the dish. So just slowly incorporate the heavy cream. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Slowly enough. Pour evenly 4 portions, or 8, into your ramekins. Our custard is getting ready for the hot bath. So you want to bring water to a boil and bring it up to about halfway up the ramekin. Okay, so we're ready to go in the oven. Be careful because that water is hot. So we're gonna bake these at 325 for 35 minutes. I removed the creme brulee from their hot water bath in the oven, placed them on a separate tray, and now I'm gonna refrigerate them for 2 hours. So the custard is set, and we're ready to caramelize the top. Add some sugar, and let's set the torch. You can caramelize it as much as you like. I like mine medium. After you caramelize the sugar with your torch, serve immediately. Yes.